All right, so this car's sagging real bad. Let's measure it up. This has 2-inch Dobinsons no rated springs in it, in the rear. Right here, I've got some heavy duty, not even NP300 springs I'm going to try and fit today. I'm gonna see how we go. If this goes successfully, I can install the upper control arms for the front and a little bit more lift on the front, but only if this levels it out, all right? So come with me. Let's give it a go. Probably should go from hub. So left side 470 from hub to guard, a little bit less. A little bit, yeah, a little bit, this is like 470 and the other side is gonna be like 450, all right? Spring compressor tool, these are not that good, all right? But we may have to use these today and I think we will. So the best way to do that, I'm not convinced by the best way to do that, to be honest. It'll be easier to undo it from the bottom. Okay. Let's put, oh, they're fucking heavy. Put these on. Let's jack this bitch up. Get this pretty fucking high. Dude, I hate this jack so much. Nope. That fucking right side is crooked, bro. Double jacks. All right. Double jack stands. Could kill me. It's just that fucking side one, man. I want to put a fucking bottle jack on this, to be honest. Full drew. Fuck, that's the hardest part, is getting it to like, be like not sketchy. I got 2 jack stands under there, tire. The front wheels are chocked with some wood. Other side jack, tire. Anyways. Fuck. Get these handbrake lines off and undo the shockers. All this for sag, huh? All this bullshit for a bit of sag. Oh, this one. 12 mil. Fuck. Could be a long night, folks. Now I'm going to disconnect the shocks, which there's tension on this, so it shouldn't go anywhere. We should have to drop this more, so these springs are full out. That's max, okay? Just put the tie. Oh. Okay, so that's touching. Now we should be able to just grab these out pretty easily. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. Show you the size difference here. So these are 470 long, and these are 550. So I'm gonna put my hand right there. So I'll compress this one a little bit more. I don't want to go crazy on the compression, but might have to. It's getting there, still needs a bit more. I might be able to squeeze them in. Fuck. I don't like this really, to be honest. Fuck, these are big, bro. Oh, yes. Yes. That is in, boys. How do we want it to sit, though? Well, that's in, which I'm happy about. It's just a matter of getting that spring now. I don't exactly know how well this is going to go. Oh, fuck. Okay. This is interesting, isn't it? Interesting development. How the fuck am I going to do that? Territory I have not been in, folks. I say that for sure. For free, even. Territory I've not been in before. This could go horribly wrong. I do not want to put my hands there, but it's not fucking staying still. Fuck me. Gun's getting a fucking workout, lad. Okay, that's loose. That's one. One off. That's not fucking going anywhere. Alright. One in. Holy fuck. Tell you what, that is not moving, mate. That's not going nowhere. That was tough. Look at that spring. That's fucking huge, man. My diff's nearly on the floor. I'm gonna need all the fucking help I can get on this second one. Landcruiser springs are in. These are off 80 series front, actually. So I don't exactly know what to do now because they're so fucking long. Shock back on, I guess, and just fucking pray to Jesus, I guess. I don't know if Jesus is going to help us, but maybe he will. Because I'm a little bit worried, right? What I'm going to do is I might put these tyres underneath here. Because I'm a little bit worried. You can never be too sorry, you know? Well, that's nice. I don't know how I'm gonna get the tyre ons, but the tyre on is gonna be a fucking mission, bro. I'll tell you what, this has been fucking hard to do. Nah, it's been just a bit sketchy. Oh, my mic keeps fucking magneting to the disc brake, bro. Alright, I think we try tyres now. Oh yeah, these should go on now. Yeah. Yeah. Bit of sway movement, but it's okay. Oh man. If this sits good, this is one of the best purchases I've ever made. Pizza AU sign up. Fuck off, pizza. Right, that's one. There's a lot of should be's and maybes in this fucking video, hey. Oh. This is a mission, man. That's what you get for buying a coil sprung rear vehicle and loading it up with 500 kilos. You gotta pay the price somehow. Sag. Then you wanna get rid of the sag, what do? Landcruiser. way too fucking nearly half a meter long spring. I'm a lot happier now the tires are on. Let's just do the last couple bits. So the last couple bits are just the handbrake thing. We'll see how well the brake lines go after I drop it down to tire where it just sits, because I got a feeling I might need extended brake lines, but I'm gonna see how much tension is on them first, because right now this one maybe will be a bit sus. That one has heaps of room, so just need a rear left one maybe, which wouldn't be too hard to do. Hopefully when I have a garage back, I'll be able to do it easier. You're gonna see why I need a new jack soon, because this shit is the most sketchiest thing. It's like, there's so much tension, you can't release slowly. Oh, fuck me, see? All right, how are we looking? Holy shit. All right, so the before measurements I can't remember, right? But let's have a suss. So I can't remember what they were. 460, 470? This side was a little bit less. $600 mil, that's a 130 millimeter increase. What? 130 mil. 50 mil is 2 inch. Nah, that can't be right. Minus 470, we'll say. 130 millimeters. 130 millimeters to inch. 5 inches. Fuck. Fucking hell, cut, that's huge. That's ridiculous. That doesn't look right. I need to do the front now. That is huge. This thing is off his fucking head now. I need to go for a spin. Oh my God, I can't get over this. I need to have another look. That thing is fucking huge. It's not even pulling on the lines or anything. Definitely need to do the front now. I'm gonna have a break, then I'm gonna come back. Right, so now we've done the rears. I've got some struts and upper control arms to put in. So I guess we're gonna give this a go. I think this is gonna be a bit longer. Turn the lights on. So right now it's drooping down a lot, but had a little break, had a little drink. Now let's fit the front lift, I guess. This is the parts